Life moves fast, but that doesn't mean your snacks can't keep up. In today's video, we're exploring quick and healthy snack options that fuel your day without slowing you down. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more nutritious ideas. 1. Greek yogurt with fresh fruits, a protein-packed energy boost. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for a quick and nutritious snack, especially for those looking to keep their energy levels up during busy days. High in protein, Greek yogurt helps repair muscles, supports digestion, and keeps you feeling full longer. Adding fresh fruits like berries, banana slices, or diced apples not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional value of the snack. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals in your body, while bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance and muscle function. The natural sugars from fruits provide a quick energy boost, while the fiber keeps your digestive system running smoothly. If you like a bit of crunch, consider adding granola, chia seeds, or even some sliced almonds to your yogurt for texture. This snack is portable, easy to prepare, and can be packed into a small container for on-the-go enjoyment. 2. Veggie sticks with hummus, a crunchy and creamy duo. Veggie sticks with hummus make for an incredibly refreshing and satisfying snack, combining the crunch of fresh vegetables with the creaminess of hummus. The vegetables can be a colorful mix of carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery, each providing a different texture and flavor. These veggies are naturally low in calories, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help keep you full and nourish your body. Hummus, which is made from chickpeas, is a fantastic source of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it not only delicious but also nourishing. Together, veggies and hummus form a snack that's both satisfying and nutritious. For variety, you can experiment with different types of hummus like roasted red pepper, garlic, or even avocado-based versions. Pre-portioning the veggie sticks and hummus into small containers makes this snack incredibly convenient to grab on the go, whether you're at work, school, or traveling. It's an easy way to get an extra servings of vegetables without much effort. 3. Nut butter and whole grain crackers, a filling treat. Nut butter paired with whole grain crackers offers a satisfying and balanced snack that provides the perfect combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Nut butters like almond, peanut, and cashew are packed with heart-healthy fats and protein, which help to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Whole grain crackers provide a steady release of energy due to their complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly than simple sugars, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This combination helps curb hunger and prevents that mid-afternoon energy crash. For an extra twist, try adding banana slices on top of your crackers or drizzling honey over the nut butter for a sweet and savory mix. By choosing natural nut butters without added sugars or hydrogenated oils, you ensure that you're getting the healthiest option possible. Whole grain crackers also contribute to your fiber intake, which is important for digestive health and feeling full longer. 4. Trail mix, a customizable energy powerhouse. Trail mix is a classic snack that's not only convenient, but also highly customizable to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. At its core, trail mix is made up of nuts and seeds, which are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. These ingredients provide a satisfying crunch and are perfect for a quick energy boost when you're on the go. You can also add dried fruits, such as raisins, cranberries, or apricots, which contribute natural sweetness and provide a quick source of energy from their natural sugars. For a little indulgence, toss in some dark chocolate chips or coconut flakes. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants, while coconut adds healthy fats and a tropical twist. One of the best things about trail mix is that you can make it in bulk, portion it into small bags, and store it for easy access throughout the week. It's the ideal snack to have on hand during long days at work, hikes, road trips, or after a workout. 5. Hard-boiled eggs with avocado. Protein meets healthy fats. Hard-boiled eggs paired with avocado create a simple yet highly nutritious snack. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, offering essential amino acids that support muscle repair and immune function. They're also rich in vitamins like B12 and D, both of which contribute to overall energy and health. When combined with avocado, which provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, you get a snack that's both filling and nourishing. Avocados are not only creamy and delicious, but they're also packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, which contribute to a healthy heart and balanced blood pressure. To make this snack more flavorful, sprinkle a pinch of salt, pepper, or chili flakes on top, or drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice for a gourmet touch. 6. Rice cakes with almond butter and banana, a light and nutty delight. Rice cakes are a light and versatile base for a quick and healthy snack. When topped with almond butter, they provide a satisfying mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. The almond butter not only adds creaminess, but also delivers essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. Adding banana slices on top brings natural sweetness to the mix, along with a good source of potassium to help with muscle function and hydration. 7. Cottage cheese and pineapple, sweet and savory bliss. Cottage cheese is a protein-rich food that's perfect for those looking for a light yet filling snack. When paired with pineapple, you get a delightful mix of sweet and savory flavors, with cottage cheese providing a creamy texture and pineapple offering a refreshing burst of sweetness. Cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, which supports bone health and contains probiotics that help with digestion. Pineapple, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. This combination is not only delicious, but also offers a refreshing break during your busy day. 8. Energy balls, bite-sized nutrition on the go. Energy balls are a fantastic option for those who need a quick, nutritious snack that's easy to make ahead of time. Made with wholesome ingredients like oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like chia seeds, flaxseed, or dry fruits, these energy balls are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They provide long-lasting energy, making them perfect for fueling your day or recovering after a workout. Simply combine the ingredients, roll them into bite-sized balls, and store them in the fridge for easy access. You can customize your energy balls by adding ingredients like cocoa powder, coconut flakes, vanilla extract, or even dark chocolate chips for added flavor. These bite-sized treats are portable, mess-free, and perfect for keeping in your bag, car, or desk drawer for when hunger strikes. 9. Smoothie packs, quick blends for instant energy. Smoothies are a fantastic way to load up on nutrients in one quick, easy-to-make snack. Pre-preparing smoothie packs makes them even more convenient, allowing you to save time while still enjoying a healthy, nutrient-packed drink. Simply portion out your favorite fruits, vegetables, and add-ins like spinach, kale, chia seeds, or protein powder into freezer bags. When you're ready to blend, just grab a pack, add your choice of milk or yogurt, and blend until smooth. This makes smoothies incredibly easy to prepare, even on the busiest mornings. You can customize your smoothie packs to suit your taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and nutritional goals. Whether you want a protein boost, a green smoothie, or a tropical fruit blend, smoothie packs offer endless possibilities. 10. Cheese and whole grain crackers, a classic combo. Cheese and whole grain crackers are a timeless snack that never goes out of style. The combination of cheese's creamy, savory flavor with the crunch of whole grain crackers makes for a satisfying, nutrient-rich snack that provides both protein and complex carbs. Cheese is an excellent source of calcium, which supports strong bones, and protein, which helps with muscle repair and keeping you feeling full. Whole grain crackers provide fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates that give you sustained energy throughout the day. To keep the snack light, you can opt for lower-fat cheeses like mozzarella, Swiss, or goat cheese, which still deliver great taste without as many calories. For extra flavor, add some apple or grape slices on the side to introduce natural sweetness and more nutrients. This snack is easy to pack for work, school, or travel, making it a great option for busy days. From protein-packed yogurt to energy-boosting trail mix, these snacks prove that healthy eating can be simple and delicious. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more wholesome snack ideas.